Are you looking for a fun way to incorporate vocabulary into your child's education? Well, today I'm going to show you these awesome books called vocabulary cartoons. Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos on homeschool curriculum reviews, homeschool day in the lives, homeschooling tips and answers, and everything to get you started or moving along in your homeschool journey. So make sure you go ahead right now and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know whenever I post a video. Now, I reached out to Vocabulary Cartoons to try to get a hold of these books because I think they're amazing. I saw some reviews on YouTube about these and they were nice enough to send me 3. So here we have Vocabulary Cartoons, the regular one, and then these two are SAT Word Powers 1 and 2. So I'm going to show you the inside of these right now. These are awesome. The way we're going to use them is we're going to put them in our morning basket and have the kids go through the vocabulary words like flashcards for maybe 5 minutes every single day. And I'm going to show you what they look like inside now. And then I'm also going to post in the description a link of where you can purchase these books. So here are vocabulary cartoons. So you have your vocabulary cartoons, just the regular book, and then you have your SAT Word Power 1 and 2. So in these books, you have a bunch of cartoons and vocabulary words, and they teach the words based on rhyming mnemonics and visual mnemonics. So they group rhyming words and pictures together with the word. So if you're not familiar with what a mnemonic is, it's just, like it says here, is a fancy word which simply means assisting the memory. It says memory experts tell us mnemonics are just about the best way to remember anything. Then it gives an example of how you remember in 1492 Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Things like that you always remember still as an adult. Like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally for algebra with the parentheses and stuff like that. Or never eat soggy waffles for northeast, south, and west. Those are all mnemonics for you to visualize it in your mind and then memorize it easily. So here you have the word, how to sound it out, what kind of a word it is, a definition, and then what it sounds like. Then you have a picture. Then you have a little sentence to connect it. Abducted ducks. And then you have 3 sentences to explain what the word means. The evil knight planned to abduct the queen when she came alone to the village. Our basketball team was abducted by terrorists. The neighbor's boy abducted our pet pig, and we paid a ransom of a box of cookies to get him back. Then you can look here, and you have a bunch of words. And the kids will love the cartoons. Oh, and then look what I found here. I didn't even realize this had this here. You have a review at the back. So at the end you have a review, a little quiz where you match the word to its definition, and then you can fill in the blanks. Right. It's a review after every few words. Let's see how many words. Okay, so I just went back and counted. So it's after every 10 words you have a review. So you have a review and then you'll have 10 more words and then you'll have the next review. Okay, and then you have SAT. This is learn hundreds of SAT words with easy memory techniques. It says proven in school test, students learn 72% more words than with 90% more retention. It's easier. It makes vocabulary fun with brain-friendly mnemonics. So I'm using this with my 8th grader this year, and I'm probably going to have her do it all through high school, even if she does end up going back into school. I'm going to have her do this maybe every morning or something. So this is the same way. Just a smaller book. And then you have your review after every 10 words or so. You can see the different kinds of words up here at the top. Okay, and then there's answers in the back for your reviews. And then this is the SAT Word Power 2, which just has more words. I wish I had this when I was taking the SATs. I could probably memorize every single word here. And have an excellent vocabulary. I'm gonna do this too, because why not? I could use some expansion in my vocabulary. So there you go. This is something that's great to add into your morning basket, or add into, you know, into your language arts unit. Vocabulary cartoons. And I will link the website where you can get this. You can probably get it on Amazon. I'll find it for you and link it. And or you can go to vocabularycartoons.com. So I'll put that in the description below, so you can just click on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you guys please give this video a thumbs up and be on the lookout for more videos like this. If you're interested in these books, check out the description below. I'll post the links of where you can find them there.